Let us start exercise 6.1. Write opposite of the following. Increase in weight, decrease in weight. 30 km north, 30 km south. 80 meter east, 80 meter west. Loss of rupees 700, profit of rupees 700. 100 meter above sea level, 100 meter below sea level. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Above the ground, that means plus. So plus 2000 meter. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. 800 meter below. Minus 800 meter. A deposit of rupees 200. That means money will increase when we deposit something. So plus 200. Withdrawal of rupees 700. That means taken out. So minus 700. Represent the following numbers on number line. I'll show you on the green board. Now first plus 5. So what you will do, first draw a line, then with the help of ruler take 1 centimeter distance and mark right hand side of 0 plus, that means no need to put any sign, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, whatever number you can write here. And left hand side of 0 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, but equal interval you will take 1 centimeter, that means everywhere you will take the distance 1 centimeter. Now plus 5 is here, right hand side of 0, so 5. Now second minus 10, so minus 10. So suppose that if you are able to draw or you are able to take 1 centimeter distance, you will take. I have taken little bit distance, but equal interval should be there. Equal distances, difference between this two interval, the difference should be equal. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and left hand side of minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now minus 10 is here, so you will rest of the sum you will solve. Now question number 4. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line. You can see vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. Okay, if point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? For this, first what you will do here, so mark 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Below, same way, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8. So here the question is, if point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? F point is minus 8. Is point G a negative integer? So point G, yes, negative integer. Write integers from point B and E. So B and E, we have to write the integers. So here 3 1 3 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 9. Between. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? So least value, you can see here E, because minus 10, E is having minus 10, so it is the least value. Arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. So from here you will start. So 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, or arrange all the points decreasing order of value. So decreasing order of value, that means 8, then 5, 4, then 2, minus 1. Count and then write. Okay. Now fifth question. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Place. Siachen, 10 centimeter below 0 degree Celsius, that means minus 10 degree Celsius. Shimla, below, you can write 30 degree Celsius above, so plus 30. Delhi, above. Srinagar. Now write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. So you can write this. Following is the number line representing the temperature in degree Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. So against its temperature, that means Siachen. 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree, 10 degree. So here you will write the city name, arrow, and then write the city name in this way. Siachen. Clear? Shimla, then 0, minus 2. So 1 and 2. So you will draw one arrow and write the city name, Shimla. Which is the coolest place? That means negative. Write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius. So above 10 degrees Celsius, the temperature in Ahmedabad and Delhi. So in this way you will do this question. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? So I will show you A and B. And a number line, if you don't want to draw number line, only imagine in your mind the number line. So in this question, 2 and 9. So imagine number line, 0 in the middle. So right hand side of the 0, 2, and then after 2, 9 will come. So 9. Okay, so 9 will be the right hand side of the 2. In this way you can check minus 3 and minus 8. So minus 3 will be right side of minus 8. So you can do. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. Okay, increasing order, that means 0 and minus 7. So we have to write increasing order the numbers. So minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 4, so minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3. In this way you can write. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. So any 4 integers you can choose. So minus 20 is there. So minus 15, minus 14, minus 13. Write 4 integers less than minus 10. So you can write minus 15, minus 16 less than. Now for the following statements, write true, T, or false, F. If the statement is false, correct the statement. Minus 8 is to the right side of minus 10 on a number line. Correct? Minus 8, if you will imagine the number line of or if you will draw, definitely minus 8 will be the right side of minus 10 on number line. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on number line. So imagine the number line and minus 50 and minus 100. So minus 100 is to the right. No, minus 50 will be the right of minus 100. Smallest negative integer is minus 1. Smallest, no, it is the greatest negative integer. So greatest negative integer is minus 1. Minus 26 is greater than minus 25. Wrong. Minus 25 is greater than minus 26. Now question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. First is, which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? So we will draw the number line and then we see. Now you can see here minus 2, 4 steps on the right hand side. So right hand side is here of minus 2 and left side of minus 2 will be here. So 4 steps right hand side, first, second, third, fourth. So answer is 2. Now second, which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? So left of 1, 5 numbers. Now you can see left hand side of 1, 5 numbers. So first, second, third, fourth, 5. Equal interval you will take. So we are reaching at minus 4. So answer is minus 4. Now C and D, both you will solve yourselves. Now 6.1 is finished. Next we will start 6.2.